In the dimly lit courtrooms of the past, a chilling spectacle unfolded: witch hunts. Their legacy echoes through history, marked by fear and folly. But what drove societies to condemn often innocent individuals in such fervent trials? Let's unravel the mystery of these dark pages in history, where paranoia thrived and reason took a back seat. Witch hunts surged through Europe and the Americas from the late 15th century to the late 18th century. Contrary to popular belief, these weren't chaotic mobs, but rather structured legal proceedings. Yet, they were steeped in superstition and falsehoods. At the heart of the trials was the belief in witchcraft as a pact with the devil, a heresy that threatened the very fabric of God-fearing communities. In these communities, natural disasters, failed crops, or unexplained illnesses were not merely misfortunes. They were cast as outcomes of malevolent sorcery. The infamous Salem witch trials of 1692 in Massachusetts illustrate how hysteria could grip an entire community. Over the course of a year, more than 200 people were accused of practicing witchcraft, with 20 tragic executions. These trials were fueled by a toxic mix of fear, social tensions, and religious zeal. But why were these accusations so rampant? And how could reason be so easily clouded by irrationality? The answer lies, in part, in the psychological atmosphere of the time. Societies were rocked by uncertainty, be it from religious upheavals like the Protestant Reformation or economic hardships that left many seeking a scapegoat. Witch trials offered a cruel sense of order, a way to purge the community of its perceived evil, even if this meant sacrificing their own. Often, those accused were marginalized figures, mainly women, who deviated from societal norms or possessed means of healing outside sanctioned religious rites. Moreover, the legal systems of the time, with its rudimentary understanding of justice and evidence, often relied on spectral evidence testimonies relating to dreams or visions, resulting in predetermined guilt. These methods of proving witchcraft were meant to legitimize fears, but in reality, they served only to reinforce the power structures of the day. The hysteria of witch hunts gradually waned as the Enlightenment dawned, illuminating society with ideals of reason, science, and skepticism. The trials, now viewed through the lens of history, serve as harrowing reminders of the human capacity for irrationality when gripped by fear. In conclusion, witch hunts reveal the vulnerabilities in our nature, how fear can twist into persecution when unchecked by reason. As we look back, we are reminded of the importance of critical thinking and justice guided by facts, not fear. A timeless lesson that lays bare the dangers inherent when society turns against its own under the guise of moral clarity.